Hi everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today we're going to walk you through how to rotate ruler in Word, step by step. If you use the draw feature in Word, you might have noticed the built-in ruler that helps you create straight lines. Let's get started. Step 1. First, click on the Draw tab in the Microsoft Word toolbar. If you don't see the Draw tab, make sure it's enabled by going to File, then Options, selecting Customize Ribbon, and checking the Draw option. Step 2. Once you're in the Draw tab, locate the ruler on your screen. It should appear as a straight-edged guide that helps align your drawings. Step 3. Now to rotate the ruler, simply use your mouse or touchpad. If you're on a touchscreen device, place 2 fingers on the ruler and rotate them in the direction you want. If you're using a mouse, click and drag the ruler to adjust its angle. You can set it to any degree you need for precise drawing. And that's it. You've successfully rotated the ruler in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tips.